Hi, I'm Dr. Erica Monaco, and we're here at Highlands Animal Care, and we're going to talk about diagnostics and lab work. So there are two different types of lab work that we typically do. There's our in-house lab, and then there's our send-out reference lab. Our send-out reference lab has pretty much all of the tests that we can think of, and we usually get some pretty good pricing on our send-out labs. So our senior wellness, our young wellness lab testing, a lot of times we just recommend sending those particular tests out because they're usually at a less of a cost because of the way that the reference lab prices things that when we send things to them. Now our in-house lab, we're able to run pretty comprehensive amount of diagnostics and blood tests in-house in urine. And we're able to get same day answers. So our in-house lab is really great for things that we need an answer on now. So on your sick pet that's not feeling well and we don't want to wait 24 to 48 hours for a lab test, we're able to run it in-house. They are usually a little bit more expensive for in-house lab work because of the equipment, the cartridges, the way that the lab prices what they sell us for in-house use is more expensive than what they do at their reference lab. So we're able to do everything from urine, CBCs, chemistries. We're able to look at coag panels, blood gases. We can look at cytology so that we're able to look at the ears to see if there's inactive infection going on. And so these are all tests that would be recommended to try to get a better idea of what is going on with your pet, depending on what symptoms are going on. Typically, the first thing that we're going to run on any sick pet is going to be blood work so that we can figure out what those next steps would be before, and then we might add on something like x-rays or abdominal ultrasound depending on what we see and on the results and depending on what's going on with your pet.